Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Notion with the source page visible and the target page ready. First, decide whether you want an inline link, a mention using @ or to paste a direct page URL. Once done, confirm you have edit permission on both pages, otherwise links won't update properly. Next, place the cursor where the link should go and get ready to insert the link method you chose, because the correct start makes the rest quick and reliable. You now insert the link. Type @ and begin the page name, then pick the exact page from the drop-down. This creates a strong mention that keeps context. Alternatively, press Ctrl or CMD+K to paste a copied page URL and make a clean text link. If you prefer a visual link, drag the target page from the sidebar into the content area to create a linked block. Make sure to test the link right away, so you confirm at points. You finish by testing the link and observing where it lands. If it opens a different page, recopy the target URL and replace the link. Once confirmed, consider adding a backlink or a relation property for two-way navigation, because that improves discoverability. If you want the same content visible elsewhere, convert the linked content into a synced block. Troubleshooting tip: if recipients can't open the link, make sure page sharing and workspace permissions are correctly set before sharing again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.